Mom, what are you doing with the newspapers?
What else? I'm going to put it in the garbage.
But Mom, I can make lots of stuff with it. Will you please let me have it?
Whatever. Have it.
Wow, Mom! Thanks! Oh, hooray!
Using old newspapers, you can create recyclable art and crafts by using a technique called paper rolling. We will show you exactly how to accomplish this in the upcoming section, as well as we will also post some videos on how to make some interesting art and craft models. Once you roll the paper like this, you can create small shapes such as these. Individual shapes together can form something like this. As you can see, they can be quite intricate, and they can take quite a bit of patience to develop these. But these are very interesting models using only newspaper and glue. You can also refer to one of our previous videos where we have shown a completed basket, which will give you a bit of an idea of some of the things that can be accomplished using the paper rolling technique.
Here are the instructions of how to make a magic wand. First, you need a newspaper, such as this. Now, you take one edge and curl it a little. This might take a little bit of time. Yeah, so you get a little curl. So now you can start rolling. But for beginners, I suggest that you can use a pencil to make it easier for you. And keep pulling it since it will keep getting bigger. Oops! Sometimes this happens, it comes out. There are two ways. Either you can do with a pencil or you can do with your hands. I'll show you how to do with your hands. So slowly you slowly start to roll this. Keep rolling. It will slowly become bigger like this. Now it's come till an edge extent, so you just use this side to wrap it. It gives a stronger finish. Now we need glue. So what we do is we put little bits of glue here, spread it, and then we can seal this. So now we have a roll. Since we don't want such a big roll for our magic wand, we can cut off a little bit. Right about here. Now you have this after cutting. Now we take this edge, this one you see, and you bend it. And you sort of bend it. And then you take the glue again and a strip of paper. You can just put glue in the paper and then spread. Then our edge, see this edge here that we've bent, a little below that we can put our paper. So it will be like this. And now we have a magic wand. Ta-da! Abracadabra! Wingardium Leviosa! I hope you liked our video. Thank you for watching it. Watch out on our upcoming video on how to make more interesting objects using paper rolls. Thank you.